Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This right here that I'm showing you, I just got these in the mail, of course. These are the hood struts from I had bought them off eBay. It's like 14 bucks because you know my hood, they I should have showed you on the other side. Let me go around there. They not holding up. Not holding up by themselves no more. So I'll show you. I had to use this to hold up my hood because these no good no more. This one and that one is no good. So I'm basically gonna show you guys how to install a new one. It's basically easy. All you need really is a flathead. You could get a longer one. I'm using a short one, a short one, but you could just use a normal flathead. Remove that right there, and let me get it started. Let me show you guys. Sorry, it's kind of hard for me to hold the camera because I don't have nobody with me today. So basically remove, there we go, one down, and remove this end right here as well. There we go. There we go, guys. See it? Oh shoot, I don't know where that went, but it went somewhere. Oh well, it's not needed. It's not needed no more. So there we go. It's pulled out, and this is the old one. Hi. Okay guys, I'm back, and all you gotta do is just basically just push it in. Push it all the way in. As you can see, I don't need this no more to hold it up. And basically just gonna do the same thing on the other side. So here we go. Hold on, let me take out this first. Anyways, it's gonna hold out. It should hold up regardless. That one over there should put in the work. This one, yeah, it's giving me a hard time to take this one out with me holding the camera. Hold on guys. All right, I'm back. So basically there we go. Got that. That's off. Pull that apart. First one is so strong, it's holding it up. And the same procedure basically. It's right here. Just use a flathead and remove that part. It's easy and simple. This is the old clip. Drop that on the floor. Remove this old one. Drop that on the floor. Bust out the new one, which is right here. Brand new. You basically, you could do whichever. You could do the bottom first. Just knock it in. Hold on. Sorry, it's kind of complicated holding the camera. Okay, so just basically like this. It's in, and like this. You guys can see it. Bam. That's how you do it. Easy and simple. It's strong. It's reliable. No more holding the hood with nothing. No using no tools. Some people be using a pole, a stick. Easy and simple, guys. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Peace out and bye-bye.